Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Kambarik and today I am going to teach you the second part of the conjunction. Already I have told you that how conjunction is important in our life to speak English. If you want to speak fluent English, then you have to know some conjunction by which you can write big sentences. You can speak long sentences and you can join some sentences. So conjunction is that when we join two words or two sentences, or it is called connectives in English. Let's know the second part of the conjunction, that is you know means तुम जानते हो. You know, you know who am I? Who am I? You know who am I? You know what are you doing like this? You know what are you doing? So you know I am a trainer, you know you are a student, you know this is a tree, or you know that is a park, you know that is a bus. So you know is a very common word you can use everywhere. Maximum 1 crore sentence you can cover by using the you know. You know my mother is a housewife, you know my father is a doctor, you know that girl is very naughty, you know that man is very brave. So you know Abdul Kalam is the famous in all over the world. Like this you can use you know everywhere. Let's know the I think मैं सोचता हूँ, I think you are from Cuttack. I think you are from Cuttack. I think you are from Cuttack. So मैं सोचता हूँ तुम शायद कटक से आए हो. I think it is not your pen. It is not your pen. I think it is not your pen. So in the same way, we can also speak 1 lakh sentence or 1 crore sentence by using I think. So that is I think you are a girl. I think I am a boy. I think you are a student. I think I am a teacher. I think you are in trouble. I think they are in a happy mood. And I think your father is a doctor. I think your mother is a housewife, like this. Let's know that it is very clear that it is also a very common word that you can speak more than 1 lakh sentence by using. It is very clear that it is very clear that Modi is a good prime minister. Good prime minister. I think Modi is it is very clear that Modi is a good prime minister, and it is very clear that monkey can jump from branch to branch. So I have written only 2 sentences. It is very clear that Modi is a good prime minister, and it is very clear that monkey can jump from branch to branch. I can speak 1 crore sentence by using it is very clear that. So that is it is very clear that my mother is a doctor. It is very clear that today is Sunday. It is very clear that modern men become mad. It is very clear that education is very important part of our life. It is very clear that boys are violent nowadays. It is very clear that girls are very simple, like this. So you can use it is very clear that everywhere. It is a common sentence that help you to speak so many sentences easily, properly. So let's know. By the way, what's your name? By the way, what's your name? Syed. It is a common thing that sometimes we use for the Syed, or sometimes it is varies place to place or sentence to sentence. So we have, by the way, what's your name? By the way, where are you from? By the way, who is there? By the way, who are you? By the way, what is your qualification? By the way, what does your mother do? By the way, what does your father do? Like this. So, by the way, You are Raju. You are राजू. शायद आप राजू हो. बाय द वे यू आर राजू, शायद आप राजू हो. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन यूज द 4 words, that is you know. I think it is very clear that, and by the way I hope it will help you to speak more than 4 core sentence easily, and it would help you to use this phrase or this conjunction in your day to day life and help you betterly to speak English. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, give like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.